If you're looking to upgrade your Subaru Crosstrek, Amazon has a wide selection of best-selling accessories that blend style, utility, and convenience. Let's check out factory wiper blade replacement.
Wipers on my Subaru Ascent. So these are the stock windshield wipers, and these are replacements. They are from, how do you say that brand? But they work great. I've already used this one for a few weeks, and now it's time to swap out the other one. So simple as just pushing the button here, removing the old blade. Now it does come with a protector for the blade, so I'll go ahead and remove that. Lift up my arm, slide it in, and click. I'm done. That took all of what, 15 seconds, and I have a brand new wiper blade. And if it's any indication how well this one has worked, which is out of this box, they're outstanding quality and they're going to be great. So there you have it.
Interior black fuse box, coin container, storage. Two-layer 2024 to 2025 Crosstrek Center Console Organizer.
I found annoying in
Dashboard mats compatible with Subaru Crosstrek.
This space here. It's a nice little nook, and I like to set stuff here, but when I turn corners, my phones, my keys, my money would just slide everywhere. So I got this little rubber mat here. Rubber on the bottom, rubber on the top, grippy, and it just fits snug in this little nook, and it no longer moves. So my phone's gonna stay in place, my keys are gonna stay in place, my money's gonna stay in place. So it was a handy little addition to my car.
White interior LED lights. Kit interior trunk light. 2024-2025 Subaru Crosstrek Impreza. Center console armrest cover for Subaru Crosstrek. Subaru rear liftgate LED light upgrade. Dashboard mats for Subaru Crosstrek accessories. Windshield sunshade for S-ubaru. Crosstrek 2018 to 2023. Envelope-style automotive elastic trunk, mesh cargo net.
It goes all the way across to both sides. You can kind of see right here that it's just a simple click pattern. Clicks right in there, no problem at all. And same at the bottom down here. And it just has that way on either side. And it's a really great quality. You can see with the net, it's wonderful. And then right here it actually has the clips on all the sides that you can just clip right on once you actually get your merchandise inside of there. So it's something that's really awesome. And it's stretchy, so you have no problem fitting everything you need in there. And that's something that's just really great. But the quality alone is amazing. The fact that the top of it is this just thick cord that's gonna hold it up no matter what you put in there. And then this actual cord right here is just a really nice weave. It's got these little ropes on the side to keep anything from spilling out from the edges. And it's just, it seems to be really well made. And that's just amazing. You can see how easy it is to put things in there. It's a great little envelope.
Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and vital phones. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.